what you discussed. So, what is the main function of milling, right? Next one, various types of milling machines, and next thing, what are the classifications of milling machines? How can you classify? What are the operation? Alright, once again, I am reminding once again regarding about the first of all, what is the principle of milling? So, milling is the process of machining purpose utilizing. It will be used by with help of milling machine. It is a one of the conventional machine. And next one, it is a using for to remove the maximum amount of material from the workpiece. It is a one of the versatile performer, right? Versatile performer. And next one, what are the principle of milling machine? Principle is nothing but workpiece is cutting tool is placed on harbor, right? The milling cutting tool is provided placed on harbor. It is a multi-point cutting tool, right? And next one, it's consisting again it will be placed on harbor unit, harbor. So what is the main function of harbor? To holding of tool, holding of cutting tool, and to minimizing the vibrations of milling machine. So while running, some little bit amount of vibrations will be raised with the help of fluctuations of alternate current. So to minimizing with the help of arbor unit. It is arbor is nothing but one of the long length of shaft. So by placing purpose, we are using cutting tool will be placed on arbor. Then next thing, what are the names? How can you classifying of milling machines means? So first one is the column and knee type of milling machine. Second one is a fixed bed type. Third one is a planar type of. Fourth one is the special type of milling machines. Again detailed classifications, column and knee type of milling machines. First one is the hand milling machines. Second one is horizontal milling machine. Next one is plain type of milling machine, universal, omni universal, and next one is the last one is the vertical type of milling machine. These are the five types of milling machines. In this, always hand milling machine, or horizontal, both are same. So while horizontal milling machine is the both are same while pronouncing, right? So next one is the vertical type of milling machine. Second thing, again next one is coming to the fixed bed type of milling machine. Fixed bed of milling machine is a one of the milling machine, right? Bed will be the fixed, only cutters will be movable, horizontal and vertical. And third one is the vertical planar type of milling machine, also just like the planing machine. Already you know the about the planers. That same type of planar machine. Cutter workpiece will be placed on table. Cutters will be moved in horizontal and vertical direction. Almost is a consisting of head will be provided. Spindle head will be provided. Each and every spindle head consisting of one of the uh, tool will be provided for the cutting purpose. So next one is the universal milling machine. Universal milling machines are consisting. So what we are consisting, rotary type of milling machines, right? Recipro cam profile type of milling machines, and next one uh, next one is profile milling machines, cam, rotary, planetary. These are the four types of milling machine. Rotary type of milling machine, work rotates about vertical blade table. Planetary milling machine consisting for milling external and internal threads of for different purposes. And then next one, cam milling is used for the making profiles, cams on disc, the movement of table controlled by the master cam. So cam will be provided for the then next to profile milling for duplicating the templates, the cutter movement regulated by the guide pin. So it is the best example. Compass box stencils, already you know, already used in some maximum times all of students, right? That is the main thing. Next thing, in next class in this class, so what need to uh, uh, use mainly construction details of milling machine. So what is the main construction details means what are the parts will be provided, right? Which type of each and what is the main function of each and every part. So what are the tool holding devices used in milling machine. These are the main three topics. So you can observe this is the figure of a plain milling machine. It is a basic type of milling machine. You can observe always bottom is the always each and every machine consisting of compulsory base will be provided, and next one it is supported by the column and knee type of column will be one more side, second side knee will be provided. From bottom part to lifting of a table, providing lead screw will be provided, elevating screw. So elevating screw will be provided further to lifting the total entire length, total size of table. So table knee will be lifted and saddle will be placed on knee, and next one table will be placed on saddle. These three, first one table and second place is saddle, third one is the knee will be provided. These three are the mainly placed on elevating screw for table movements, table in up and down direction movements. Because of each and every table consisting of in milling compulsory they have the three directions. One is the longitudinal, second one is the cross, and third one is the vertical direction of table will be provided. Then next one, coming to the in top portion, column one side column will be provided, and next top portion will be provided for the arbor unit. On arbor, cutting tool cutter is provided. Milling cutter will be placed on arbor only, right? Arbor is nothing but one of the long length of shafts for holding the cutter holding purpose. Which type of cutter? Milling cutter which is provided on machine, it is using for the to cutting purpose, right? This is the main construction. Next one is the what are the main parts. We can observe what are the main parts each and every milling machine consisting. First one is the base, column, saddle, next one knee, workpiece, work table, overhanging rung, the arbor, spindle, yokes, movable jaws and elevating screw, spacing collars, motor and transmission, swivel voice, next feed crank. These are the main construction of any milling type of machine. So first one is the base. Any machine we need to consisting of base is the main function for that. So base is the main function. So it is manufactured with help of grey cast iron material, right? Next one, column is provided. Column means each and every machine consisting of column is mandatory. It is the one of the heart to the mission. Mainly column is a heart to the mission because of how much amount of mechanism is placed for the any machine. It will be completely closed in column only, right? Column, which type of column will be provided? It will be driving mechanism will be placed in column only. Next one is the saddle. So to movement of a table, saddle will be used. Next one is the knee. Also to lifting of total entire table lifting purpose we are using knee. Next to work table will be provided, right? Work table will be provided for the working surface, or hanging arm also provided. It is a so overhanging will be provided for the to supporting of cutters. Next yokes, movable jaws will be provided, elevating screw to lifting purpose, spacing collars will be placed on arbor unit, right? So arbor unit, the in gap between the spacing collars, cutting tool will be placed. Motor and transmission, each and every machine consisting of motor will be provided. So what is the main function of motor? Motor is nothing but electrical energy is converting into mechanical energy, right? So what is the function of generator? Means generator is a mechanical energy is converting into electrical energy. These are the basic differences between the motor and generator, right? Motor and generator. So motor is a function for the to electrical energy is converting into mechanical energy, right? So each and every machine consisting of compulsory motor will be provided. This motor drives with help of chain or another some amount of driving mechanism. Total entire machine will be rotated. So it is converting electrical energy converting into mechanical energy. And next one, swivel bases. Swivel bases means each and every table consisting compulsory three directions is provided. Just like base will be provided for the swiveling angular type of operations whenever you need to produce. That is the main thing, right? So that is the main thing. Next, feed cranks. Feed cranks means how much amount of feeding giving to the workpiece, how much amount of material depth of cut we need to give. So these are the elevating screws type of feed cranks. How much with help of it is a shape in rotary shape for revolving purpose. So once again we can check with help of first one, base of the any mission base will be provided. First one is then next one, it is made of cast iron, right? Made of grey cast iron material. Always any machine, not only the milling machine, you can take any type of machine, right? Any type of machine using for the to manufacture with help of base material is compulsory. It is a cast iron material, right? Again we need to go some more depth. Means grey cast iron material is the best suited for the to manufacturing of base unit of any type of machine, either milling or drilling or lathe machine. So any type of machine also manufactured with help of only grey cast iron material, right? Made of grey cast iron, it capable to withstand entire weight, right? How much amount of machine weight is provided, that much amount of weight also provided, that much amount of weight also bared with help of grey cast iron material, right? Capable to withstand entire weight of the mission. That is the main thing. Next, support the column at one end. Base is the providing maximum size, maximum place, right? It will be provided. Then next one, to withstanding purpose we are using, right? Next one, is accommodates coolants. Accommodates coolants. Accommodates coolants means it is acting as a one of the it is acting as a one of the reservoir also. So how we are selecting, how we are considering reservoir means each and every base of machine consisting of compulsory reservoir also provided. So it means coolant will be a reserving purpose. So how much amount of coolant is provided, it will be placed in only on coolant and base only. So accommodates coolants. So main purpose accommodating of coolants total. So accommodating of coolants means each and every single cut or double cut whatever may be compulsory, coolant is a mandatory to use the machine for cutting purpose. Because of, so what is the main thing why we are using the coolant is mandatory means, so each and every metal to metal contacted. So metal to metal contacted means in conventional machining process, cutting tool is the one of the metal and second one is the workpiece also one of the metal. Both are contacted. So always cutting tool has a capable for maximum amount of strength, right? Cutting the any type of material. Okay, fine. Then so both are contacted. So it will be first cut will be easiest way to pass. Then second cut, the workpiece, both workpiece and cutting tool both are heated. While continuation of cutting of any metal, both are contacted continuously. These are the utilizing for the to heating developing. Heat will be developed. So to avoiding the heat developing, so we need to pour the coolant on machining zone. Machining zone means which area will be contacted. Which area will be contacted means workpiece and cutting tool where both are contacted. So contacted means both are contacted, material will be cutted from the workpiece. At the same time, a heat will be developed. Heat will be developed. Heat will be developed. So again what we need to cool the entire area, right? Again, otherwise what will happen, continuation heat will be raised, and next one it is directly, so what will happen, melting will be started. So because of continuation of both are cutting tool and workpiece, both are contacted again. So we need to minimize the heat of machining zone only. Machining zone means not only the workpiece, not only the cutting tool, which area both are contacted while in working, while in cutting process, right? We need to completely to cool the machining area. Machining zone means which area to be contacted, cutting tool and workpiece, which this area completely cooled with help of coolant is provided. So to recirculating with help of pipe, the coolant will be a reservoir, acting as a reservoir, as a coolant base is the coolant tank will be provided to supplying with help of motor to pour the machining area. So that is the main thing, it is accommodates the coolants, right? Next one is the column. Column is a casting mounted vertical in the base, because of it is a provided side. And next one in front portion provides guideways to support the knee, right? Front portion provides guideways to support knee. Next one, overhanging arm is done stop. So on column, overhanging arm also provide. Overhanging arm means harbor unit. It houses housing driving mechanism, spindle and table feed. So always column is the maximum main heart of the machine, right? It houses the driving machine. It is housing entirely inside the driving machine will be provided for the spindle and table feed. Table, how much amount of feed will be giving. So total will be controlled in only in column only, right? Overhanging will be held on its top, that is the overarm is provided. Overarm is provided for the to holding of cutting tool, that is the main thing, right? Overhanging arm is provided, the driving mechanism of spindle and table feed, right? Next one, these are the only one type of universal type of milling machine. You can observe each and every point, each and every part of machine. So first one, always base is the common for the any type of machine, and that elevating screw will be provided, and next swivel base will be provided for the swiveling of while workpiece in working time. Next movable jaw. Next overarm, and top portion always overarm is provided for the to holding, right? This is the main thing. Next one is the saddle. Saddle always placed on knee only. So provides crossfit to the crossfit for the work by moving away towards the face of the column. All right. So how much amount of feed will be provided? So moving away towards the face of the column only. Next, machined and ground to on the top support to the workpiece, right? That is the main thing. The next one, saddle. After that saddle, next one goes to the knee. Next main component in machine is the knee, right? So a grey cast iron structure attached to the face of the column moves and slides, right? Right, table can be moved up and down, support the saddle and tab, right? Knee will be provided for the. Next one is the work table, right? What is the main function to supporting of workpieces? Workpiece always placed on tables, right? It's a consisting of T slots will be provided on list top of direct mounting on workpiece. If direct mounting means, so workpiece, uneven sizes of workpiece like C shape or Z shape or any type of another type of missions, easiest way to hold directly with help of T slots. So that is the main thing. T slots are provided on top of the direct mounting of work, provides lateral feed, longitudinal feed, and next one capable to withstand the cutting edges, cutting loads. Next, facilitates a rigid clamping mechanism. Right, these are the main thing. Next one is the overarm. Overarm is one more type of component. So located on top of knee, so it will be provided top of knee, supports on the cutter holding driving mechanism, provides more rigidity to the machine. The movable jaw and arbor are supported. These are the overarm is the mainly supporting purpose. Next one is the arbor, fixed in a spindle nose, located the cutter position, transmit power to cutter from spindle. Right, mainly what is the main function of arbor? Available in different sizes and shapes. Right, fixed in a spindle nose. Right, next located in the cutter positions, right, transmit power to cutter from spindle, available in different sizes, arbor will be provided. Next one is the spindle. So spindle also it is receiving purpose. Spindle, it receives power from motor throughout gears, holes, harbor and drive filters. Spindle is the main function, rotated high speeds in different ranges, so providing. Next one is the yoke, clamped to the guideway provided over the hanging beam, support the arbor at number of sections and ensures vibrations. Right, free machining is just way to machining. It houses bearings on which arbor is mounted. Right, these are the main thing. Once check your figure. Next one is the figure. Once check, so this is the figure, vertical type of milling machine. Also it is a column and knee type of milling machine. So right, this is the column and knee type of milling machine, you can observe. So first one is the base, second one is the knee, the third saddle, table, spindle, milling head, overarm, column. Right, these are the main parts of vertical milling machine. In that, workpiece always placed on table, the cutter will be movable, only cutter will be easy movable. Then next one, elevating screw. So elevating screw will be provided for the located top of the base, so support the knee. Total entire knee will be placed on only a knee, ensures free elevations of knee on the guideways. Right, ensures free elevation. So elevation means free elevation of T guideways, also improves the rigidity of machine. Okay. Also the rigidity of machine. Elevating screw, it will be present base. Next is spacing collar. Right, spacing collar means multiple cutters in different sections and arbor can be placed with spaces. So spaces will be provided each and every cutter while after completing. So compulsory placing the whenever you need maximum amount of work with different type of cutters in single arbor, always we can collars will be provided for the to placing of uh, to placing of spaces available in different lengths and available lo use. Next one is the driving mechanism. Driving supplies the driving torque to the spindle in a particle and other mechanisms of the machine. Transmission done through gears and belts are housed. Coolant supply, lubricating oil, circulation and feed. Uh, auto feed needs power. Right, so that is the main thing, driving mechanism. Next one is the swivel wise. Right, swivel wise, it provides the rotation on the table in a horizontal plane, a feature of universal milling. Right, swivel base, it's located by the located below the table with the angular graduations. Right, located with a table with angular gadget, clockwise and counterclockwise rotation possible. These are the main thing, right? Okay, then next one, feed cranks will be provided. Feed cranks hand driven by the cranks and affected feed movements launched in the class. So these are the three types of feeds and cranks will be provided. Then next tool holding devices. So what are the main components for the tool holding devices? Any machine have compulsory, that question will be raised. Each and every machine consisting maximum amount of consisting arbor, collects, adapters, spring collets. These are the main, right? First one is the arbor. Arbor is one end of the arbor is tapered and fits the sockets in the spindle nose where it is secured by means, right? It is secured by means, right? Next collets. Collets is the first one is the arbor, each and everything, right? Cutter with a board center can be mounted in arbor position by spacing collars key to provide positive drive, right? Right, next arbor is supported at the other end by yoke. So arbor one side is the fixed, right? One more side is used for the to utilizing wireless, does not suitable for that. Next one is arbor supported by the other end by the yoke. Next to two lengths of spindle front end fit in the two slots, the arbor, and thus rotates later in spindle. These are the tool holding device. Always we can observe arbor, right? So total spacing collars will be provided. Final got tartar unit, arbor unit, nut, so provided for the tool holding. Next, these are the main parts for this. Then next, these are the topics. Okay, next, tool holding purpose adapter will be provided, right? Adapter will be provided. So I went there, right? Adapter is attached to spindle by draw bolt, directly bolt on it. Next one, it is used on milling machines to mount cutters that cannot be mounted on a arbor, right? These are the main. Next one, spring collets. Spring collets, spring check is special type of adapter used to secure straight shank cutters. Always heavy amount of size of collecting, right? The front end is tapered and threaded, right, in a room, right? The stock shank is introduced to the cylindrical hole, right? The tool shank is mounted in a cylindrical hole. Whenever the nut is tightened, the split jaw grips shank firmly, it will be maximum touch will be provided. These are the topic, right? Thank you. I hope already I think maximum amount of students I am expecting is just wait.